Hello everyone. After a long time, I'm trying to come back on this. Over the period of last month or so, since I had stopped making any recordings and I was still trying to search out, trying to find out what will work for me and what will not. I tried various other things like doing intraday in cash and maybe a swing little bit in the cash market, but still I think I still have issues with the mindset and maybe the understanding of the market, so I could not exactly make out what I want and how I am going to do about it. Meanwhile, I had a look at the IPO segment. If you look at the IPOs, just to have a look at the ones which have gone through the last few months, few days, and you will see how it has worked out. So, for example, let's say this is okay, still to be listed, and if you look at it, there are a few of them which went through just a few days back, and if you look at it, how it has performed, it's almost giving a 50 to 100% returns on your IPO. So let's see, this one is DTL. So it listed on what, 3rd July, opened at 240, and today it is at, okay, today it has come down. However, if you look at it, what was it? Okay, I don't have it here. It's gone up. Okay, let us have a look at the latest one which I have here. This also listed pretty high. After listing, it has come down to almost 100% or so. DPEL, this also listed very high and then it has been coming down. But look at this one, listed at way more than its IPO price, went way high. It is now back at its IPO price. Look at Raj Steel. I think this must people must be aware about this. And this also listed very high and then went way above it. However, look at this one. This was on the mainline IPO. Where is it? Let me see how much was it. Uh, Stanley. Stanley, it is gone, so it's not showing. Okay, let's see. MCure, yeah, MCure, does it show? No, but MQR also listed at something around 30% gains also. So it was offered at around roughly around 1,000 rupees or so, and it listed at 1325, 1365, and after that it went to what, 1408, and now it's again back to 1350s. So still almost see almost what, from 1,000 to 1350, 30% returns it has given. And the best parts, look at the smaller ones. If you look at these SME IPOs, look at this one, FWA, yeah. You see, it was offered at 82, 5th July, and allotted and listing was on 12th, so just a few days back. And imagine the listing to, just have a look at it, FWA offered at 82, and right now it's at what, 198. Shit, look at this thing opened at 155, from 82 to 185, 155, almost it touched the SEBI limit of 90%, and after that it has still been in an upper circuit only, and see today also it is locked at upper circuit at 198. Shit, there isn't any seller. See, look at the amount of volume from 82, 88 to 90, 198, more than 100% in what? Say it listed on 15th, on 12th. It was offered on FWA was offered on 5th July. So let's say allotted was, if allotment was on 10th, if you got it on 10th, so today is 19th, so 9 days you have made 100% returns. Similarly, look at GGBL, Ganesh Green Bharat. GGBL also offered at 190, and where is it today? 460, more than 100%. So from 10th to today 19th, more than 100%. Look at this. This also same thing. Opened at 361, 90%, and then today just see it started off from what here? 440 to 460. Again, see, look at this. Low was 440 and it's again at 460. Again locked in an upper circuit. Then this, look at this one, Silvan. This actually came up pretty a few days back. But see, this was on the main line, and this opened at 66. This was, I think, offered at 39 or 40 or something like that. And you see, it almost 90% it was where it was listed. And then from there, so even if you are offered at 40, today is at 109. Shit. 150% return. See, 139 was it, and last 2 days it is coming down. So now it is today how it is. Today it is in a lower circuit. But even if you sell now, from imagine from 69, 70 to 100, just imagine. Even if you had bought it in the secondary market on the day of listing, you would have made 30% returns. Just see. Imagine the IPO money that is there in IPO. Then Sahaj Solar Blast. Actually, after looking at all this, I thought, okay, let me also give it a shot. So I thought I'll put it up in Sahaj Solar Blast, in Sahaj Solar Limited. Sorry. So I had applied for that. See, I applied and it says not allotted. And look at it. It was offered at 180. And where is it now? 360, 200, 100% return. In what? How many days? See, allotment was on just 2 days back. 16th was allotment, 19th 2 days. Now, how do you get a short allotment in this? That is what I want to find out. I know this is more like a lottery because this was subscribed 5 times. So it was like, practically the retail ones would be like very few of them would be getting into it. After all, retail had applied five times. It was oversubscribed 5 times. So obviously, 1 in 5% is only going to get. So with a 20% probability, I did not get it. So okay, had I got, I would have made good money in this. Yeah, 100% return in just 2 days. Wow. So now what do we do? The real money is over here. Real jackpot is over here. SME IPO. So see, look at it. These ones are also coming up. Kataria Industries at 96. Makeups Technologies 75, and it's not much amount also. Just see 1,09,000, 1,13,000, and so on. Sanstar is on the main line, so it would not be oversubscribed so much. But then the premium also you might get might be maybe even if you get 15-20%, that also is good enough. But usually like MQR was on main line and you got 30%, so that still makes a lot of sense. Yeah, 3 days, 4 days, if you're getting 30%, it makes a lot of sense. So yeah, I'm waiting till this 23rd July because of the budget session. So once the budget is out of it, then maybe looking at how the market performs, how the direction goes, then I will apply for this Sandstar. Race 2, I have very good hopes for this, that with Qataria I might get something around 50% premium, and this you might get 30-35% premium. But I'm not going to apply for this. I'll apply, wait for this 23rd, and after that I'll see how the market goes, and depending on that we'll apply. But and I want to buy of this. Now, if you can, somebody knows where to get this. Like, earlier my broker used to tell me that apply for this or apply, give your money to me. I'll apply in the QIB or some other, HNI quota, and then I'll give you that share. And he will take his, 5-10%, whatever it is, and then that would you'll get a sure shot the not a sure shot, but the still the possibility of getting an allotment was much more in whose HNI or QIB section compared to the retail section, simply because it's been so oversubscribed. Like HNI or QIB maybe one or two times oversubscribed, well retail is like five times oversubscription. When you have 20% or maybe 15% of probability of getting, how is it like? Okay, even I did not get that. It's not allotted. So what do I do? Cannot do anything in that. It's just a lottery. So you keep on you buying the lottery, and then and then you might get it. So well, that's the only way. Then you'll have to do it. That just keep on applying for the lottery. Once you get it, you get a jackpot. Otherwise, you don't. So if you get something, or if you have some broker or somebody like I keep on getting many messages, many Insta and Facebook and here and there and WhatsApp also. I keep on getting messages that join up my Telegram channel, join up this website, join this app, and they will say that give us the money and we will apply through the company account and to the IPO or to to their private funding and so on. But I'm very skeptical. What about I put in a lakh of rupees and then they go away. They just don't respond. So I am very skeptical of them. I don't believe them at all, and I do not give them any money. But if you have somebody, if you think that is it a genuine broker whom you can meet face to face, then maybe yeah, we can go and look into that, and that could be an option explored for. So if there is something like that, to put in a comment on that, and maybe we can check out if it's really worth it or not. Until that time, okay, then we'll apply for this. Keep on applying for this lottery. If you get it, your luck. Enjoy then your 100% or more. Otherwise, you'll keep your getting your money back. So see you then. If you find something, let me know. Put it up in the comments. See you. Bye.